Hi, I've had some teachers ask how to set up their security key for two-step verification. So we are going to go through how to do this today. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is open up Chrome. You're going to click on your little face, your icon there, and then you're going to select Manage Your Google Account. Once on the Google account page, you're going to go over here to Security and then scroll down a little bit and it says two-step verification. So I already have mine, but I don't have my security key set up. So we will do the security key. So you can have multiple steps. That's why it's called two steps. So make sure that you have more than one, just in case you don't have that security key on you. You don't have to run back to your building and get it, or run back to your house and get it. So where it says two-step verification, yours probably says off if you haven't done this. And then you're just going to click on this little arrow. It's going to ask you to log back into your account. And as you can see, I've had two-step set up for a while, but I'm going to scroll down. So here are the different options. You have Google Prompt, which is the default, and it sends it to your phone. I also have this Google Authenticator app on my phone as a backup, and I have a voice and text message. So I have quite a few because I want to make sure that I can always get into my computer. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you've got security key as one of the options. So I'm going to click on the little arrow here for the security key. We are going to add a security key. And we are going to select a physical USB key, USB or NFC key. You're going to set up your key. So you're going to click OK. And then it's going to ask you, you know, the permission. We're used to seeing that. We're going to say okay. And now it's going to ask you to insert your security key into the USB port. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to grab my security key and I'm going to put it into my USB port right here on my computer, and it will light up. Oh, it's saying it can't read it, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, so now it's telling me to touch my security key. So right there in the little gold circle, I'm going to touch it with my thumb because I'm thinking I'll grab it with my thumb. Then I'm going to give it a name. So I was thinking about, I knew that we had to name it. So I'm just going to put my name on it, CTC, Hoffman CTC. And then I'm going to select Next. And two-step verification on your account and security key is ready to use. Keep your security key with you so you can always sign into your Google account. I'm going to click Next. Here it gives me some tips for signing in. All right, and I'm going to click Next. Whoops. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out of my account and then I'm going to log back in so you can see. So I'm going to turn sync off. All right, so here it's telling me to insert my security key. So I'm going to do that. Now it's going to ask me to touch it. Now I did the verification with my thumb. I'm just going to use my index fingers to see if it still works. Yes, it does. So it's not like getting your fingerprint or anything that cool. And then I'm going to click Next. So that is how, Next, and yes, I'm in. So that's how you set up your security key and then sign in using your security key. And you always want to set up more than one. And when you go to log in, if you don't have your key with you, it will always say try another way. There'll be a little, it'll be in blue. And it'll say try another way. So if you have two things set up, you can then choose your other option, like your phone or your Google app that you have on your phone. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.